English model. Like I am into English. Here, guys, we are sitting now. We are going for a drive vehicle that we are going returning home from our park. As we are all tired and have eaten all the ice creams and mixed with the good soup that we are feeling traumatic. Yes, you can see them. But what to do? This auto is also going. There is no auto. We can reach or we may reach after 1 hour. They are sitting so quietly, but they are interpreting what I'm saying there. So you can see them through the real potato and mall. What is our vehicle? You keep quiet, girl. You are sitting here. So we are sitting. In front, you can see the driver uncle and with their side of fly moxie is sitting. Yes, but the girl, you can see her face is so innocent. Feeling so tired. That's all we are tired. Yes. We buy this dress we have gifted her by the birthday. Her birthday gift that we have brought from one soul. Enjoy this day. And so we have a game out in the 4 o'clock and it is the time 8:28. But we are now returning to the home. As you can see the way, we are all passing through a block which is taking to our house. Okay, thank you. English web blogging. Thank you. This is Goodly. Who blogging English? I not. I don't know English. I am the yes English. Speaking English. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, friends. They are sitting. I am sitting here. गुडू चलो हाँ जीवा से स्टेशन पर ये है ए गुडू ये सेठी पैसा देबो स्टॉप गला स्टॉप ए रो सांग के जीवा ये सब पळेलेनी कि छुआ गुडा देखाउनी हो साइड को समस्ते लंबा रे लंबा रे चलो 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 एपटे जीवा एपटे हम एपटे गड़ी पड़ी गया एपटे वीडियो करो तो हल्लू चिरे रिंकी को देखी कि जाओ रोह रिंकी वा कौन से है ना नोड़े ये ए बुइसे कर में ये फोटो है या केटा अरे भाई का करूची ना बोल से अच्छा से पकड़ एबे ना घरे घरे पहुंच अरे साइड दी साइकिल लडली मो सही साइड पिम दे चलो घर को चलो पहुंच गलानी तो अल्प बट देखाला माने भोजपुर हेलो गाइस देखो देखिए हम लोग अभी घर जा रहे हैं रोड से इस रोड से हम घर जा रहे हैं अब जैसे कि देख सकते हो जैसे कि ये लोग खाते खाते जाके जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे अब जैसे कि देख सकते हो कि रिंकी जेली गुली मासी एंड मम्मी एंड गुल्ली दीदी यहाँ पे है और देखो हमारा क्यूट बेबी गेला अंधेरे में नहीं दिखा गेला अंधेरे में भू डाटा है भू डरा दिया गुड़गुड़ी बहुत हो करे बेबी बेबी चल छे हाय फ्रेंड्स मत बढ़िया लगुच चली कि जाऊँ କଥା କହିବା କେବେ ଶିଖିବା? ତାପରେ ଯାଉ